She eliminated unwanted hair in 25 days forever and without pain. Incredible! It is quite normal that, when we reach a certain age, we begin to grow hairs in different parts of the body. At first, it seems something very tender, and in the case of many, it can even look attractive. However, this small invader is not appreciated everywhere. That is why both men and women try to eliminate it. Generally, people resort to various methods to remove hair from their body. The most common are usually wax and shaving. However, both methods can prove to be dangerous and sometimes very painful. In the case of wax, it can cause a great redness to our skin. Shavers, on the other hand, can cause cuts that leave ugly scars. For this reason, many choose to use other methods, painless and effective, to eliminate body hair. The best of these methods is that they have no side effects and are very simple. Here's what you can do to quickly remove body hair. You need 1 tablespoon of turmeric paste, 2 half a spoonful of cumin powder, 3 half a tablespoon of spelt flour, 4 spoonfuls of beet sugar, 5 3 tablespoons of oregano oil. Do the following. 1. Combine all ingredients and mix well to obtain a thick paste. 2. Apply this paste to the body part in the opposite direction to hair growth. 3. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes or until dry. 4. Take a clean cloth and rub in the opposite direction to hair growth. 5. When all the paste has been removed in this way, wash with water and dry. 6. Take a few drops of oil, moisturizer or coconut oil or olive oil and massage the skin with it. 7. Repeat this 3 times a week and continue for at least 3 months.